Get on the rock, playing in the last little bit of snow in our yard. Whoa! There you go. And up. Yay! Look at you! Whoa! Are you gonna jump? Whoa! You wanna go on that rock?
Hey, that's a big one.
Trying to make some snowballs. Oh, look, there's one. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Dirty. Dirty, dirty.
Dirty, dirty.
See all the dirt on the snow? It's yucky. You can throw it? Yeah. Can you stack them? Can you put that one on the other one? Put it on top of the other one. No, don't eat it. It's yucky. No, it's not. You're eating dirt. Don't eat it. Rosie. What do you smell? What do you smell? Lucy, look at Rosie. Don't you eat that.
It's fun.
Dig, 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 dig. Lucy, no, don't eat that. It's yucky. Look how dirty it is. Oh. Whoa, look at all the snowballs. Ooh. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get your feet. Don't kick me. Don't you kick me. Huh? You want mommy swing?
Yeah.
Yeah, well then I can't push you. Should grandma swing?
Grandma swing.
Yeah.
Grandma can swing on this one. You want me to go when you go? I'll go when you go.
Whoa! Come on.
You want me to help you? I'm not asking. I'm on my way. Give me your hand. Here we go. Here we go.
Whoa! Here she comes. Whoa!
Somebody hasn't been on a swing in 8 months.
Hey, buddy.
He literally hasn't been on a swing.
Hey, Lucy.
That's awesome. Lucy, say, hey, Josh.
Say, hey, Daddy. What's so funny?
That's the best. Whee! It's bear lapping.
Is that fun?
Woo!
Are you so happy to be on the swings again? I don't think he's been.
That's the best.
That's awesome. Send that to me. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
You throw some rocks?
Go with Lucy and throw rocks in. Go stand by Lucy.
You on the phone?
I don't know. He's working on it today and he'll finish tomorrow and he will send it out tomorrow. He'll push the button and then he'll mail it.
Bear, you got sand all over you. Do you have sand all over you?
4 days.
Here she comes. Woo! Yay! You want to do it again? Here she comes. Woo! Do it again? No, you gotta go up the steps. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work.
It's so funny.
Oh my God.
That's so funny. Where'd Josh go?
Lucy, is Bear laughing? So silly.
Some
Yes.
water.
She has some water. She's fine. She's fine. Whoa!
Yeah. That is so funny. You're so funny, Bunny. You're so funny. Tired?
Oops, that's right. Bear say wee! And Lucy thought you were leaving, so she said, "Bye, Josh."
There's Josh. Grandma swing. Yeah. Yeah. Swing, Grandma.
Swing.
Whoa!
Like you get grief from your boss.
Bear, Bear. That's Lucy's.
Say peekaboo.
Bear, Bear.
Yeah, if you want the
Lucy, be nice. All right, see, you get this one. See, no problem. Here, I need to- See, this one I'm going to show them in like 10 years.
One right
One right here. Right. Watch it. You get hit in the head. Watch it.
Oh, Lucy.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Not bye-bye, Mommy. I'm going with you.
See you in the morning.
You're going to slip and slide. Careful. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, you better go get it. It's rolling away. Oh, it's all dirty. Uh-oh, there it goes. Uh-oh. You're okay. Stand up. Stand up. Put your hand down. Stand up. You gotta push on the ground. There you go. You're gonna roll it. Roll it down the snow hill. The dirty snow. Oh. Kick it. Kick. Kick, kick, kick. Careful. Do you hear a bird? Do you see a bird? I hear one. He's up in that tree somewhere. Whoa. Oh, there he went. He flew over that way somewhere. Bye-bye, birdie. Bye-bye, Lucy. We have a bird living in the nest above our doors. Our house. And the nest is right up there. So cool. We just saw him taking a couple of twigs to add to the nest. But that nest has been there for a long time. Maybe there'll be baby birds in there. You think there'll be baby birds in there? Maybe? Oh, there he went. He flew back up here. There he goes in the tree. He's going to find some more pine needles or some more twigs to put in his nest. Did you see him up there? Whoa, you made bubbles. Good girl. You think Rosie likes the bubbles? Yeah? Here, should Mommy try to make a big bubble? You want to catch a big bubble? Whoa! Alright, here goes big bubble.
A big bubble! I catch him!
Whoa! Here we go. Here's another big bubble. Go get it! Go get it!
Oh no! Was he a big bubble?
Alright, Mommy big bubble.
Was he a big bubble?
Oh, here it is! Look! Oh!
Oh. Yes!
Alright, here it comes.
I did it! Oh, a big
Oh.
one.
Pop.
I got it.
Lucy, big bubble! Big bubble! Oh, pop. Ooh, that was a big bubble. Oh. You gotta get more bubbles on there. Watch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9.
9 what? 9 cars?
9 cars.
Oh, okay. I think it was just 2, but that's okay. All right, let's see the bubbles. Oh, don't blow them that way. You blow into your shirt. You gotta turn it the other way. There we go.
Oh, not working.
It's not working? You maybe need more bubbles on it. No, not that end.
I do it right here.
Okay, put it right there. That's a good spot.
I will do it right here.
Okay, right there's that's a good spot too.
No.
No, put it closer. Yeah, there you go. Oh, you gonna try that one?
The air bubble. Okay, right here.
Okay. Oh, careful, don't knock it over.
What's he doing?
Yeah. He's zero useful. I'm gonna reply to him.
This one, no, you have to put.
It's snowing. It's April 22nd. Our snow is almost melted and now it's snowing.
Okay.
And Lucy's outside blowing bubbles in the snow. Let me see the bubbles.
Blow the bubbles. Here.
Lucy, can I see bubbles? Turn it this way. Turn this way. I can't see them. Keep holding it. All right, do it again. Do it again. Yay!
Pop them. Yeah. Her hands are really soapy.
Yeah.
Woo. One more time.
One more and then we're going to go inside. Whoa! Those are cool bubbles. Say thanks, Grandma, for the bubbles. Lucy, say thanks, Grandma. That's a nice outfit you got going on there.
The button. How do you like Grandma's hat?
Nice hat, Grandma. Oh, it was so nice, and now it's snowing again. Look at the snow. I don't know if you can really tell. Is it snowing? Oh, dirty. This is crazy. It's snowing so hard. Wow, it's sticking really fast. Snow. Crazy spring weather. Our snow had finally melted, and now we're getting more snow. I think they're calling for 4 to 8 inches. We'll see if we actually get that.
Sticking so.
It's crazy. Look at it. Going sledding. A nice late April spring activity here in Tahoe. Nice and foggy. We got about a foot of snow last night. That was fantastic. Up the hill. Listen to Lucy. Whoa, don't fall out! It is a little chilly. Whoa! Oh my gosh.
She's wet wax.
Now she's got to walk all the way back up. Woo! Dan, you better hold on to her. Look at her face. Yay! Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Grandma, you doing it?
How was that, Anna?
Bumpy.
Bumpy? Uh-oh, is Mom going too?
That's a pretty good sled.
Yeah. I wasn't
Good
sure at
pitch
first. Woo!
Got a good pitch on.
Into the cloud. Come on, Mom. Keep scooting. Keep scooting. You gotta get out past that little bit. You're almost there. Keep going.
One more hump.
Right there. Now you'll start
Keep
going.
your feet up. Keep your feet up.
Keep your feet up. Lift your feet up.
You're sitting too far forward.
Go, go, go. Mom, there's people back.
Put your feet in the thing.
That sled's not working too good.
Yeah, because he's
All right. Mom, you need to get out. There's people.
You put your feet inside and steer with your hands. So like this.
Anna, you gotta hold on to her.
No, this way.
Anna, you've gotta hold her. Hold her.
Daddy told me to do this.
I don't think she can. Because she has to use her hands to steer.
Yeah, she loves it. It's so funny. Look how far they go. It was worth it. It was good. Go, Grandma, go. Lift your feet up. Lift your feet up. You gonna go do it again? Oh, careful.
What is the best, Anna? This?
Uh-oh.
For me.
Lucy, was that fun? Yay! Look at her face. Whoa. Look how far they go.
Hey, that's a good one,
Whoa. Hey, what's going on over here? No, I got...
Hey, look, it's still flying.
Is that good snow? Well, you want to go down, Daddy?
One more time.
Go down one more time.
One more last
And then we have to go get in the car. Oh, wait a minute. That's this. Now I should sled down. Now I gotta walk. Here, come on. You gotta go with Daddy. Woo! See how far they go. Oh, Anna's coming up. Do one more. Whoa. One more? All right, one more. Make it the best one ever. I'll do a video right here. That's not a good start. Here she comes. So pretty up here.